Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Robotech 3D. We're here at the Southern Africa show. This is our new Infinity 1 machine, which is a 3D printer, custom built, so it is endless the opportunities because you can custom make the sizes. So this is a 1280 bed by 700 by 300 high. So what we're trying to focus on in the signage industry is, instead of fabricating it with Perspex, you can extrude your own letters much easier. Your turnaround time is much easier because each letter takes about 15 minutes, so it's super fast. And the benefits of this machine, you've got two colors, and also you have an interchangeable nozzle. So the nozzles go from 0.4 all the way up to 2 millimeters, and it's a simple click and click solution. So you click it out and you can click it back in. The nice thing about this machine is that you can start on a smaller one, and as a company you can grow. You can start off small, scale up where you need to, and if you have a certain requirement, we can custom build this to your specifications. We also manufacture the filament, so everything's locally produced, sustainable, it's all recyclable. We use PETG plastic, which is environmentally friendly, and it's definitely fully recyclable, so you're not wasting anything, and it's fully scalable to whatever your needs are. So come check us out at the Sign Expo. Thank you so much.